For today's video, let's start sewing straight line. But before that, let me teach you this tension here first. This is for the stitch length. You can adjust it according to your stitch line. If you want short or long. So for me, I set in number 2.5. This is for the stitch width. This allows the needle to move right and left. So you can adjust this one according to your seam allowance, following your guideline here. And this is for the upper thread tension. If you are using the thick one, like for the thick fabric, then you can change this one into 5 or 6. But for today, we are just using normal size of the thread, so we are going to set it number 4. And let's start sewing. This is the selection dial, which is you can select design you are going to use. So for today, we are going to choose number 2 since we are just beginners. And this is for the straight line, So we choose number 2. And let's get started. And here is the line, the guideline. So you can use this to have, in order to get a straight line, you have to see this one and not. And please do not see the needle. We need to see the line. The line here. Here is the line, the indicator, the indication. Place the fabric in our line here, for our guideline here, and start sewing. You're using this reverse button. Sew a little bit, stitch a little bit, go back, reverse, and continue down. Okay. And just continue sewing. And reverse again. And this is our straight line, and it's very beautiful. Practice more sewing straight as long as you are not watching the needle. Please watch your guide. If you want to use this as your guide, see here and not avoid watching the needle. Just practice more. Practice and practice and practice. You see? Practice lang ng practice, okay? Practice lang ng practice hanggang sa ma-perfect. I hope you enjoy this tutorial and see you next lesson.